Hello everyone, I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to study a topic, friction in our lives. The force of friction has both advantages and disadvantages, and hence it is called a necessary evil. Now let us study where friction is needed, or we can say the advantages of friction. The first advantage of friction is walking. Here in this picture you can see there are certain grooves in the sole of the shoes. You can see here in the shoes there are present some spikes. Spikes are there in the soles of the shoes of players and athletes. This is to increase the friction. So when we walk, our feet or shoes get interlocked with the ground. You can see here in this picture certain grooves are there in this shoes, and also this floor is uneven and the grooves and ridges here get interlocked, so it prevents us from slipping. When we push the ground backward with our foot, the friction provides a forward reaction to our push and sends us forward, and as a result we are able to walk. Now what happens if we walk on ice or oil, or we step on a banana skin? When we step on a banana skin or some slippery ground, then we might slip because the banana skin is smooth and it does not provide friction between the foot or shoe and the floor, causing us to slip. Next advantage of friction is moving vehicles. The vehicles are able to move with the help of this friction. Now here in this picture you can see certain grooves and ridges in this tire or wheel. So such tire is called treaded tire, and the tire of vehicles are treaded to provide sufficient friction between the tires and the road on which they run. This minimizes the chances of slipping of the tire on slippery road and helps to control the vehicle. Do you know this? That without friction, the brakes of cycles and the car could not be applied. So friction is needed everywhere. The third advantage of friction is that friction helps us to write. Friction enables us to write on a piece of paper. We are able to write because there is a friction between the tip of a pen or the pencil and the paper. Writing with a pen, pencil or chalk would have been impossible without friction. When we write, what happens? The ink gets transferred on the grooves of paper, and you must have observed that it is not possible to write on butter paper due to no friction. The fourth advantage of friction is that friction helps to light fire. You know very well, in the primitive time, the man discovered this fire when he rubbed two stones with a great force. When the two stones or any object are rubbed with a great force, what happens? The friction is generated, and you know very well that friction always produces heat. And when friction generates enough heat, it can also produce sparks. Friction also enables us to light a matchstick. When we strike a matchstick against the side of the matchbox, what happens? The friction between the head of the matchstick and the side of the matchbox produces heat. The heat burns the chemical which is present on the tip of the matchstick, due to which it lights up. Now the fifth advantage of friction is that friction is needed to make furniture also. A carpenter cannot make a furniture if there is no friction. So friction helps a carpenter to cut wood with a saw or to hammer nails into the wood. It is the friction which holds the nail. Saw is needed to cut this wood, and it would be impossible to cut wood without friction between the saw and the wood. So just now you came to know that friction is very important in our life. I hope you must have understood this topic very well. Thank you and have a nice day.